For those seeking top-notch window installation, Redmond, our Redmond window installation experts offer unparalleled services. Whether you need residential window replacement or commercial window installation, Redmond, our professional window installers in Redmond WA are ready to assist. We specialize in energy-efficient window installation, Redmond, ensuring your home or business benefits from reduced energy costs and enhanced comfort. Our Redmond WA window replacement services include a wide range of options, from vinyl window installation Redmond WA to custom window solutions tailored to your specific needs. Our window installation company in Redmond is renowned for providing affordable window services without compromising on quality. We offer window installation quotes Redmond WA to help you plan your budget effectively. If you're looking for window installation Redmond services, our team is equipped to handle everything from window glass installation Redmond WA to window frame replacement. Our window contractor Redmond services also include window sealing services Redmond WA, ensuring your windows are airtight and energy efficient. For those interested in unique designs, our window design consultation Redmond can help you create the perfect look for your property. Our Redmond window services extend to specialized installations such as skylight installation Redmond WA and bay window installation Redmond. We also provide window maintenance Redmond to keep your windows in top condition year-round. Our window fitting services Redmond WA ensure a perfect fit every time, enhancing both the aesthetic and functional aspects of your windows. For homeowners interested in home window upgrades Redmond WA, our window replacement specialists Redmond offer a variety of options, including double pane window installation Redmond for improved insulation. Our Redmond window installation company is committed to delivering the best window installation Redmond WA has to offer, with a focus on quality, affordability, and customer satisfaction. Choose our Redmond WA window installation services for all your window needs. From custom window installation Redmond WA to professional window installers Redmond WA, we're your go-to source for reliable and efficient window solutions. Contact us today for the best window installation near Redmond WA and experience the difference our expertise can make. Redmond WA window replacement services are essential for homeowners looking to enhance their property's value and energy efficiency. With a focus on residential window replacement, our team provides top-notch window installation services in Redmond WA. Whether you need vinyl window installation or double pane windows, our experts are here to help. For those seeking custom window solutions, our window design consultation in Redmond offers personalized options to fit your unique style and needs. Our professional window installers in Redmond WA are skilled in creating the perfect look for your home or business. From bay window installation to skylight installation Redmond WA, we have the expertise to handle any project. Energy-efficient window installation Redmond is a priority for many homeowners looking to reduce energy costs. Our Redmond window installation experts specialize in installing energy-efficient windows that help maintain a comfortable indoor climate. With our window sealing services Redmond WA, you can ensure that your windows are properly insulated. Affordable window installation Redmond is within reach with our competitive pricing and quality service. Our window installation company in Redmond WA offers affordable window services without compromising on quality. Get window installation quotes Redmond WA today and see how we can fit your budget. Window installation Redmond is crucial for maintaining the integrity of your windows. Our Redmond WA window installation services include window glass installation and window frame replacement. Whether it's a minor installation or a complete overhaul, our window contractor Redmond is ready to assist. Commercial window installation is another area where we excel. Our Redmond window services cater to businesses looking for reliable and efficient window solutions. From custom window installation Redmond WA to window maintenance Redmond, we provide comprehensive services for commercial properties. Home window upgrades Redmond WA are a great way to modernize your living space. Our window replacement specialists Redmond offer a range of options to enhance your home's appearance and functionality. With our window fitting services Redmond WA, you can achieve the perfect fit for your new windows. Vinyl window installation Redmond WA is a popular choice for its durability and low maintenance. Our professional window installers Redmond WA are experienced in installing vinyl windows that withstand the test of time. Trust our Redmond window installation company for all your vinyl window needs. Double pane window installation Redmond is ideal for those seeking improved insulation and noise reduction. Our Redmond window frame replacement services ensure that your double pane windows are installed correctly for maximum efficiency. Experience the benefits of double pane windows with our expert installation. Skylight installation Redmond WA adds natural light and elegance to any room. Our window installation experts in Redmond are skilled in installing skylights that enhance your home's aesthetic appeal. Let us brighten your space with our skylight installation services. Window glass installation Redmond WA is essential for maintaining clear and functional windows. Our Redmond window contractor services include prompt and professional window glass installation to keep your windows in top condition. Don't let damaged glass affect your view. Contact us for installation services.